Tayo
Sila.
Lag lang nagpahirap. Di nyo naintindihan.
Na ano naman? Na ano naman yung fight?
Nabigla.
Nga lang, 26, tangina, 29
Sa
ano?
likod mo yata
FPS,
yung ano.
gago.
Everybody dismount. Ready,
15 nga
ready.
lang
Look
sa
at,
akin eh.
look at me, look at me. Ready, inside. 3, 2, 1, inside us now.
Kasi FPS sa FPS ko.
Kami daw.
Zero
15
pa.
yung PS ko kami. Mulok.
Normally may 100 FPS ako natitira sa ganun eh. Tangina kanina 29 ng puta.
Ganyan talaga, guys. You'll be having more of like fights like that on the next season.
Oo, daming pin talaga. Minsan kahit hindi na sa PC mo yun, sa server mo.
Internet din.
Ano tong blob dito? Aftermath?
Gugunlog ko
Aftermath yan.
kaninong
May ano sila, may brawler sila.
Barclap to.
Dismount. For those if you haven't.
Ikaw na bahala muna sa harap, sis.
Saan ka na-dry?
Dismounted ah.
Yeah,
may...
covered. Yeah, okay. Yeah, careful.
Wait ka?
Birch na
Hindi
kami.
ka ba ako mahuli ni boss ah.
Careful.
Sa
Dito.
likod na sa
Yeah. How do we fight that? We fight them with big balls.
Atin yan,
Come out,
atin
come
yan.
out.
32 tayo.
Listen, flinks. We go. Comes out. Fix your positions outside. We go fake. Okay, fake ready. Ready. Deep. Go fake deep. Ready. 3, 2, 1. Deep. Okay, come back.
Uy, deep.
Careful. Okay, ready. Look at me. Inside. Wait. Just wait.
You're looking.
Just wait. They're looking. Ready. On this tank. Ready.
Tama
Tank
to.
inside us. 3, 2, 1. Headbutt.
Ni Jayco.
Yeah. Headbutt. Oh my god. Okay, come back. Cycle.
Sa hard,
Cycle.
Binigay niya sa hard.
Fail.
4 seconds siya. 2 seconds
Wait
spirit
ako sa'yo.
natin. Ready.
Heal. Ready.
5 seconds.
Careful. Ready. Yeah. Ready. Just wait. Wala, bomba lang ng bomba. Oh. Just wait.
Meron pa ulit yan.
Ready?
Uy, naglalag ulit. Hello, can you help me?
Okay na.
Wala.
Wala, ready
Nakatayo
dito,
ka.
puto.
Hindi.
Ready.
Ready, we're gonna headbutt, ha? Ready. Gig. Ready, headbutt. Walk. West. 3, 2, 1. No. Get. Demon together. That's a headbutt.
Yes,
Okay, good job. Come back. Good job. Cycle.
Balik.
Ready spirit natin.
Ang lag!
Yeah, hammer, boys, hammer.
Second floor na sila, Oreo.
Nice. Patay pala sa tarap.
Asan yung puso? Mawala yung puso.
Hammer.
Overkill ng headphone.
Matras? Hello?
Gago na lang mo.
Mount up sila na always.
Tumakbo.
Hindi, GE yan.
Hindi, wala na.
J mo, J.
GE yan.
Papalibutan sila ng mga E8s.
Ayan.
Mautin.
Ayun, lumipat sila sa kanila.
Dutch barrel
Ilag na isa rito, Riz, ah.
Naubos.
Tugi tayo.
Patay yung ano. Gago.
Bobo ah.
Yung J8 na sumabog?
Oo. Bobo ah.
Doon ka sa kabila.
Another blob northwest.
Yeah.
Ako check ko.
Yo, hammer fast. What is Aftermath doing? Yeah. What is Aftermath doing?
Mounted.
Palabas.
Yo, can we catch them? Okay. Yeah, if you have hammer north side.
Kakalabas lang nila.
Hammer please. Yo, all of you, focus here.
Lumabas
Ako
na talaga
agad.
yung aftermath.
Yeah, pa-ult agad. Come.
Check ko to yung
Check
yung
dito.
another blob.
Sige.
Forever Night. 29 DA. Sa water bridge.
Okay.
Fighting sila, fighting with GE.
Yeah. Somebody
Part
mount
one,
up,
di
somebody
tayo
mount up and then go south side, yung sa middle. I-aggro nyo yung
Drive.
pop ult. Second occult please, Gondor. First occult is Raybok, second occult Dorok. First jacket is Jay Haskam, second occult is jacket is Raybok, and then third occult is Gondor.
Pabantayin ng likod na, pabantayin ng likod nyo.
Pag double OC-in mo na to, mamaya
Dito.
mapasagin nyo ikaw, Riz.
Yeah. Everybody
Pa rin yung aftermath.
double OC, drop it. Double OC, double OC, double OC.
Putang ina mo, patay yung bomb ng ano.
G.
Patay, hindi dyan.
May another block.
Drop it, drop it, drop it, drop it, drop it.
Don't loot, 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 loot. Uy, aray ko, don't loot, don't loot,
Stop
don't
looting,
loot.
aray ko. Mount up, mount up. Battle mounts cap this, battle mounts cap this fight. This castle, comes outside.
Tulungan natin, G.
Contride.
Let them loot, let them loot. Fight nila to eh.
Screenshot ka dyan. Boom, naubos.
Putang ina mo, sabog.
Kiting sila.
Wala na, full wipe na to yung ano. Yung forever
Yung G.
night. Wala na to. Hindi, forever night.
Permat, umalis ka.
Ibang nila bingot na.
Yo, yo, come, dismount here if you see me. Dismount if you see me.
Punta ka nga dito, Dride. Punta ka nga dito, Dride. Ay, hindi ka na ba?
Wait lang.
Dito,
Kaka-cap ko lang na ano eh.
may battle mount dito.
QW mounts here. QW. Ready,
Tatak
ready.
sila.
Yeah, ready deep. 3, 2, 1, inside me now. And then careful over the wall west side. Ready demons in the middle here. Okay? Come back. All of you come back. Just come. Look, they're looking. Come back. Yo, why are we using demon armors?
Hindi.
Ay, hindi.
Def.
Gilid mo.
Yeah, def.
Na Jay ko.
You walk. Hold them now. Ready, inside us. 3, 2, 1. Inside. Hit. And then kite southeast. Hold the gate. You're fine. Hold the gate. You're fine. Hold the gate. Kite southeast.
It's Ewe. Yeah. Come northeast by the road. Help Eugene on the back end.
Yeah, help your front. Ego, what are you doing? Heal. Come. Stay with me.
Pag-guard na engage natin, please.
Yeah, hold here. What's your disarray? Hold here. Okay. Hold here. Okay, come east. Yeah. Come east. My tanks. Help my tanks. Come east, my tanks. Be ready. Look, you're gonna shallow northwest. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Northwest on me. And then come back. Oh my god, guys. Come northeast. Yeah, come northeast. Help your front. Come back. Help full clip on the back. Come east side. Okay, good job.
4 seconds spirit on.
Yeah. Come my side now. Come my side. Come my side.
Engage lang.
Sila siya.
Yeah, hold on. Just wait.
Kung gusto mo mag-choke, ma-Jay ko to choke ha.
Yeah. Sige, i-J mo nga. Ready.
Na-Jay ko na.
Ready, choke. 3, 2, 1. Choke.
Nice one.
Come back. Gig. Okay. And then come northwest here. All of you, come north. Come fast. Come north side there.
Jacket yung hurt, please.
Come north side. Keep walking. Ready, DPS ha? Be ready.
Oh, ready.
Look, tank step in. Tank step in. Come south. Okay, come west side. Go west side. Paukot nga west. Ukot mo ako west. Yung crown. Hit me. Ukots hit me. Hit me. Ready on this guy. 3, 2, 1. Inside us.
Uy,
South.
katakasan mo kayo ah.
Gagi nawala yung
Dito
nahabol
rin
ko.
sa kabila.
Sino yung blob southeast? Come on side, boys.
Kaya mo na yan.
Noyin ko.
Tangina nawala si Virginia. Naka-chariot.
Sino Virginia?
Ito,
Hindi, naka-charge.
sa rob natin, Ori.
Nahantin ko yung naka-ano.
Kill this guy, kill him. Drop it. And then, come on.
G lang to, yung blob, naglulot lang.
To.
Boots and then mount up.
Sa tayo.
May pinapatay pa kami dito.
Ping.
Sa loob ng Terry. Pinanggalingan natin.
Okay. Up the
Hindi ko si Tawa.
Yo, heal tawa.
Patay na.
Pumasok. Hindi naman.
Yeah, come back. Yo, sino yung DPS nasa tower pag namatay ka dyan? Wala ka na.
Putong ano mo, dito ako boss. Sino ka?
Igang ka na dun, Eugene ah. Nabuti umabot ng gig spot.